Alright, so today I'm doing a brake job. I'm replacing these old rotors with some cross-drilled and slotted rotors, replacing the pads. Alright guys, hello, welcome, what's up? Today I am covering a brake job that I did on the car. This job was way too tricky to do alone, to stop and film everything. Plus it was messy. Let me show you what I've got going on. So first of all, I paid for all of these things myself. I didn't get any sponsors or discounts. Just know, 100% unbiased, alright? So, I used StopTech's cross-drilled and slotted rotors. A lot of reasons I picked this rotor. I was looking for something not too expensive, obviously not the cheapest either, but I wanted a cross-drilled and slotted rotor that was budget friendly. And these were the ones for me. So that's why I went with these. Now, the pads here are Hawk HP Plus brake pads. I picked those kind of for a similar reason. This is not a dedicated track car, so I needed something I could drive on the street and that would also be good on the track at high temperatures. So the Hawk HP Plus is kind of best of both worlds. Good on the street and good on the track. So we'll see how these do. I will let you know. Dang, I gotta go to the back of the car. Alright, then the last thing, but certainly not least, is my stainless steel brake lines. Now, this still had the stock lines on the car, at least from what I could tell, and at 140,000 miles, that's not really the safest thing. Stock lines can get brittle and they can start to break down, which will make your brakes feel spongy and soft. Stainless steel lines obviously are made of stainless steel, so they don't expand like rubber will, and it keeps a tighter tolerance for a more consistent brake feel. Am I saying that right? Brake guys? Help me out here. I hope I'm not getting that wrong. Anyway, the reason I chose Sparta was partly for aesthetic reasons. I wanted blue. I went with this beautiful bright blue from Sparta Evolution because one day I'd like the Sparta Evolution BBK, or Big Brake Kit for those not in the know, but now you are. I'd love to get Sparta Evolution's blue calipers on this car one day. So, Sparta guys, let's do something. This could be really cool. We'll make this car even more beautiful. So, that's why I chose the stainless steel brake lines. And then I topped it all off with Motul RBF 660 racing brake fluid. So, I'm really happy with these rotors and pads and lines so far. Obviously, I haven't driven on them yet. But, fit and finish is perfect. Installation, while not easy, there weren't any hang-ups. That is why I chose each component in the kit. So that's what I got, guys. That's where I'm at. So now I'm gonna put the wheels and tires back on the car and we're gonna go properly bed the brakes. I'm not gonna pretend to know everything about that, but basically, you do a few braking maneuvers to help the rotors to heat up and the pads to sort of set material evenly on the rotors. I think it's so everything's even. So I'm gonna go do that and drive this car, use the brakes so we can see how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and we'll see you soon.